Market recap for Wednesday, the 12th of August, 2026. As you can see, we have some crazy barcode price action following CPI. Let's go back to the daily and my expectation. I'll try to keep this real quick, right? There's really not much to do. And I also posted my execution for today. I'm on paper these days because, I haven't been in the market for a while. And it's just like kind of warmed up. So looking at the daily, there's nothing important. We can just see that the wick here, we're not closing above it. So I'm leaning towards more bearish after taking this Monday high, because I thought we were going to take Monday's high on Tuesday, or I can't remember what the actual day, get to it, but we didn't do that. We actually went to the sell side first on the lower time frame. So looking at the structure for the day, everything was saying we've been taking out too much buy side, so might as well just go into the opposite direction, even if we can't go lower, right? One of my models told me like, yeah, we're going lower, a lot lower than we should. And just looking at my experience on time frame, like in the hourly, it didn't look like we're gonna go that much lower. So it was like getting stuck in between two models, and I'm like, I'll take it as a learning day. But all I know that the direction is going to be lower regardless. But how far can it go? I will have to, I guess, find out once we reach specific levels. Okay. So in terms of the wick, we have our previous daily high, which not previous daily high, it's Monday's high. And then after it, we have the upper quadrant of this wick. So that's why I thought if we're gonna make a daily high, that's where we're gonna make it, right? And that's actually where we make it, right? We have our market open right there, we wick into it and start shrink down. I wanted to take that short when I seen it, but it's not based on my model, so I just left it and I was like, I'll just take the first presented fair value gap short lower. Took this one, ran back, my stop loss was just right there, it didn't take it, and then it went lower again. And after it started doing this, especially when it went to do that, I was like, you know what, these targets look unlikely, and my higher time frame structure wise is more right. So I'm looking mainly at the midpoint of the opening range gap as a target, and if we can expand below that, then sure, we could look for something like London low, something like that, or at least data low, right? But if we don't, then we're just gonna be stuck in the range, and clearly after that, I just like, yeah, we're gonna be stuck in the range. Um, there isn't really much other than that. That for sure we should be looking distributing towards lower prices, and that's just really about it, right? That short one, when it failed, right, I closed it in profit somewhere here, and then I took the other short right there, which I closed it, start distributing lower down here, and then eventually closed it somewhere here. And yeah, it's just a learning day. There's not really much to do when the market is stuck in a range that you can't leave. After today though, we can start heading lower, and I'm guessing this is all going to be done overnight, where we're allowed to go to the other targets. And yeah, that's it. So as you can see, not much to speak about, not much to do in terms of today's price action. And I guess all the trading part was recorded in the previous video. So yeah, that's the market recap. Probably the shortest recap I've done in my life. Peace out.